Okay, good afternoon and thank you for joining today's Business Solutions session brought to you by the Aesthetic Hair Academy. Today we're discussing how clinic exclusive skincare can transform your business. Just before we get started, we'll introduce ourselves. My name is Rebecca Walton and today I'm joined by my colleague Rebecca O'Brien. We both work as part of the sales and training team here at Aesthetic Hair and we are on hand to answer any questions that you may have. So just before we delve into professional skincare, I'm just going to take a couple of moments just to introduce us at Aesthetic Hair. So I'm sure many of you work with us already, but for those of you that don't, we are the go-to partner for skin professionals. We work to enhance skin appearance, skin health, and ultimately well-being. We have a strong industry reputation as a partner that you can rely on, and anybody that you speak to about aesthetic hair will say the same thing. We do everything we can to support our clinics. We're a small, agile company with a dynamic approach guaranteed to support and drive your business forward. We have a dedicated team bringing a wealth of knowledge, experience and enthusiasm. We offer advanced treatments, skincare and at-home devices, many of which I'm sure you know and love already. For example, HelioCare. We work with EndyMed, our in-clinic radio frequency device, Newer, lots of things that we work with. Today we're talking about ALLSKINMED. Everything we work with has been researched extensively to offer outstanding results and an exceptional client journey. And as I said, we're a small, agile company. We also provide professional training, outstanding business support, expert marketing support, exceptional customer service, and an efficient warehouse team. So just before we delve a little bit deeper into professional skincare, I just want you to take a few minutes to think about your clinic and your clients as well. So does every single client that you're working with leave with a regime? Where are they getting their skincare from? If they're not buying their skincare products from you, where are they getting them from? And what quality of skincare are they using, whether that's purchasing directly from you or elsewhere? Are you maximising your skincare retail opportunities? Are you chatting to every single customer about how they can get the best out of their in-clinic treatments by using pre and post-procedure products that will help boost the results from their in-clinic treatment? And what is your current offering? What products are you working with? Is it meeting client needs and demands? Are clients buying it? Is the price point correct? So maximising skincare in your clinic, every client needs skincare and they're going to be coming to you for your expert advice, and understandably that can be around treatments. But during the treatment and during the consultation, are you encouraging tailored regimes to get the very best out of the treatments that you're offering? Are you promoting hero products via social media that will expand to a wider audience and bring new clients into the clinic? And do you encourage your team to use the products that they're talking about and selling to make sure they can share their experience with customers? Are you wrapping skincare regimes around every treatment that you're offering? And if not, why not? Because it really is the best way to drive demand for treatments and products together. So Rebecca, we're going to come to you now to introduce ALLSKINMED.
Thanks, Rebecca. So yeah, it's funny just looking at that. ALLSKINMED really does offer sort of every facet of skin support health in a clinic. It's a clinic exclusive skincare brand that involves sort of combines innovative ingredients in multitasking products that your clients will love to use. It's very cleverly thought out. It's a really clever brand, and it has a very simple philosophy to make your clients feel great in their skin and boost their skin confidence ultimately. And it's all focused on the core audience, which is rejuvenation, of course. So just a little bit of background into where it's come from. It's a dermo-cosmetic range from the makers of HelioCare. And if you're familiar with HelioCare, hopefully you'll know how amazing that skincare range is. And ALLSKINMED is no different, really. Cantabria Labs are very much an entrepreneurial and innovative company. They're a family-owned business with a real heart and soul, which is driven by a passion that you might not expect from a global organisation. They really are very special, and we've been fortunate enough to work with them for many years, and their ALLSKINMED products are every bit as exciting and technology driven as HelioCare. They've got decades of experience in dermatology, and they very much have products and technologies that you can rely on that are properly tested and put through the mill, so to speak. So it's a very unique brand. Again, as we've just said, it's a professional and clinic exclusive brand. It very much focuses on a gentle approach with no downtime, but don't let that fool you that it's not doing enough, because it's a very effective system. And the beauty of it is that it doesn't cause so much aggression on the skin, and it is something that your clients will love. The actual formulations themselves are incredibly intelligent, using some of the top technologies that Cantabria have created, and each formulation is multitasking. And by that, what we mean is that you might have one product that can target and treat 4 different indications, and another one might do 2, and they all work in perfect synergy with each other. There's a very concise skincare range, so it's not the kind of brand where you're going to have lots of sleeping beauties on the shelf. There's just 12 retail and 5 professional products. It's very simple and straightforward, with a hugely competitive price point. I think the cheapest product in the range is around £15, isn't it, Rebecca?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, starting from £20 of the product, so it's extremely competitive, especially when customers are spending money on treatments as well. We're understanding that there's a growing need for more competitive skincare.
Yeah, completely. Not only that, it has its own signature treatments, which we're going to touch on a little bit later. And we also have a clinic exclusive online shop. So let's just, in a snapshot, look at the powerful core technologies that exist within ALLSKINMED. Firstly, obviously, we've got retinoids. We all know that the vitamin A is very much the sort of gold standard when it comes to epidermal stimulation and renewal. And we have a really innovative patented combination of powerful retinoids that offer a gradual release. So that means they're extremely well tolerated by all skin types. We then have the growth factors, and I've worked with the growth factors that are within ALLSKINMED for many years, and there's no doubt about it. SCA Pro, which is a patented technology, is one of the best growth factors out there, in my opinion. It is extracted from a snail, a specific type of snail, and it is rich in these glycoproteins and growth factors that really do deliver targeted dermal rejuvenation. We've also got AHA, so they're really going to work on the texture of the skin, but also improve how the other ingredients can penetrate into the skin. We've got our vitamin C there, our really powerful antioxidant, which is also going to help to brighten and enhance the skin and also boost skin protection. Anti-pollution. Now, this is a really key thing for ALLSKINMED. It's got some very clever technology within it called e-defense, and it really does help to prevent the cascade of skin damage that's caused by pollution. And it also provides a powerful antioxidant activity, and this is a very important ingredient for us. And then finally, of course, we've got the sun protection, so it's broad spectrum, and of course it contains that patented extract firm block, which if you're familiar with HelioCare, hopefully you will know all about. But it really is that all-rounder protection for your skin. So ALLSKINMED is all about treating cell to surface. We're treating every single layer of the skin. And that's really important for the range. And it enables you to create bespoke solutions for your clients so you can treat aging, photo damage, and tired skin as well. So we're working at every layer to enable the most effective treatment for both short and long-term results with each formulation. They're all very carefully created to ensure a maximum efficacy, but also with that luxurious skin-loving feel. So when you're using these products, even though they're getting to work and targeting some really key concerns, you're not going to have that kind of aggression on the skin that you might expect. So it's very, very simple. It's just 4 steps to beautiful skin. And step 1, prepare, is very simple. It's the shortest step of all. It's all about the cleanse. I'd say step 2, renew, is I guess the most active stage of the whole system. It's where the products are really getting to work to address all the skin issues that you might be faced with in clinic. Step 3 is using some of our beautiful hydrating products that will really help replenish and sort of refine the skin. And obviously step 4, using those technologies to prevent further damage from pollution and daylight as well. We do have a current promotion around our vitamin A, and I think if there's one thing that I can say about the ALLSKINMED range, there are lots of hero products, and the vitamin A products are very much hero products within the range, and it is a vitamin A like no other. There is an advanced combination of 2 different forms of vitamin A that have this sort of gradual release throughout the day, so we don't get this aggression on the skin. It has an extremely powerful antioxidant activity. They also soothe and hydrate, which is not something you would expect from a vitamin A, and they're incredibly silky and quick absorbing. We have 3 strengths, a 0.2%, a 0.5% and a 1% retinol. 0.2 is very much for the person that's brand new to vitamin A or somebody that perhaps is quite young. 0.5 I think is probably the most popular in the range, but of course we've got the 1% as well when we really want to sort of step up to it, or for that sort of more damaged skin that you need to treat. Now you can buy any retinol serum and you will get another product in the range which is probably one of our best sellers, and that's the transition cream, and you will be able to get that half price, so your client can save a huge $32.50. And just very quickly, transition cream is a beautifully rich, replenishing, hydrating cream, and I think it's always, Rebecca, it's everyone's favorite, isn't it? Transition.
Oh, the transition cream is my favorite product. I absolutely love the way that it makes the skin feel. Like you said, it's got the retinol in there, but it really hydrates the skin at the same time, so it's very unique offering.
Yeah, completely. And this offer is supported with marketing material, so you can pass on this offer to your customers as well. But this has gone down so well, and you know, without doubt, the vitamin A's are a real powerhouse treatment products in the range. So with ALLSKINMED, you can really use it to maximise your treatment results. So you can combine it with every treatment. It's going to sit alongside it really easily because we know it's not going to cause too much aggression on the skin. But it's also a great introduction to the skincare brand. If you've got a customer perhaps that's a bit adverse to using skincare, or they can't see the difference between what they're buying in Boots or somewhere else, or maybe they're just a little bit wary of a new product, using it alongside a treatment that you might be doing in clinic is going to really help to establish that trust. And once they're through their treatment regime and they're left just using the skincare products at home, they know that they're going to work, that they're going to be essential for them. And of course, it helps them to establish a routine. I mean, if there's one thing we always hear in clinic from our customers, is that some people are very averse to fitting in a skincare routine or regime into their life and their lifestyle. And it's very easy to do that with ALLSKINMED. We also have great products that can be used pre and post procedure, so we can prep and treat the skin post procedure as well. So we mentioned earlier that there are some signature treatments. These signature treatments really are luxurious. There's no massive downtime with this, but really beautiful, boosted, natural looking results. And here we're combining our core technologies with short length microneedling. So very superficial needling. We're not going beyond 0.3, so it's very epidermal. And we have 2 in particular. We have the Vitamin Energizer, which is designed to supercharge the skin. And we have the Dermal Rescue, which is all about strengthening, restoring and reviving the skin. So very straightforward, very simple. They're just hour-long treatments, and you can charge up to around £120 per treatment. These can be done regularly. I think we recommend a course of 3. They can be done 2 weeks apart. But the beauty of epidermal needling is it's something that you can do a lot, and it gives the skin the most incredible instant boost and glow, which is why it's so popular. Yeah. So Rebecca, I'm going to hand over to you now to talk about our other promotion around the growth factor intensive regeneration ampules.
Yeah, absolutely. So many of you might have heard about the growth factor intensive regeneration ampules. We're running a campaign at the minute where you've been offered the opportunity to try a box for free. So if you are listening and you've not had your box, please drop us a message and we'll make sure you get those to try. The growth factor intensive regeneration ampules, a little bit of a mouthful, contain a patented technology that is proven to prevent, protect and repair skin damage. So these are perfect to use post-procedure in clinic. And the reason being is they are designed to accelerate skin recovery after any treatment, even ablative procedures as well, helping to reduce redness, flaking and discomfort. And visible improvements can be seen in the skin in just 24 hours. So you can just see the image on the right hand side there. She's had a 25% TCA peel. Improvements can be seen post-procedure just after 24 hours using the growth factor ampule. They come in a box of 10 and they are the perfect way to really expand on the treatment that you're offering in clinic and talk around these unique growth factors that are patented. And as Rebecca's already touched on, they're actually called SCA, which stands for secretion from the Cryptophalus aspersus snail, but they are clinically proven to help calm and soothe the skin. So it's a great way to end any treatment, and you can add an additional cost onto the treatment to include the cost of the ampule. So if you've not tried them yet, I would urge you to contact us and get your free box of ampules, because they really are a game changer post-procedure. So ALLSKINMED in your business, what does this look like? So ALLSKINMED needs to touch every aspect of the client journey. So from right at the very start, when we're looking at the consultation, we need to be introducing a pre and post procedure, an effective skincare regime that's going to help to improve the results from their in-clinic treatment. Pre and post treatment regimes I've already touched on. This needs to be ongoing throughout the treatment plan, and the Fusion Pro protocols enhance results and experience. So for every treatment you are offering in clinic, we have a protocol to suit that treatment that includes ALLSKINMED. On top of that, we've got a promotional calendar that runs throughout the year to be able to support ALLSKINMED through social media and in clinic. So we like to keep things extremely simple for your clients, and we understand at the minute things have not returned to normal. Throughout the pandemic, we need to adapt the way that we support. So while we're very passionate that ALLSKINMED is a professional only in-clinic brand, and we've got to really get that point across, these products are not available online. They can't buy them anywhere else from you. They can't buy them direct from us as a supplier. They can only get them from the clinics. But one of the things we've done to support our clinics is we've set up an exclusive online shop just for you. So clients can gain access to this through a unique link that you share with them. Once they're into the shop using your clinic name, they can order the products that they choose or follow the consultation that you've done over the phone or online for them, select the products that they need, and they will be delivered direct to the client. It's perfect for top-up purchases in between clinic visits. We know at the minute there's not many clinics that are leaving products out on display, so it's a great way for clients to be able to top up. Every time somebody purchases through the closed online shop, you will receive 35% commission on any products that are ordered. So it's a great way to drive that additional revenue stream as well. So how can you come on board with ALLSKINMED? What options are available? So while we're really passionate about ensuring that ALLSKINMED is for every clinic, we can adapt this to suit your business. So I would 100% suggest that you set up a call with one of the team. Here is a summary of some of the packages that we offer. So the signature package is our all singing, all dancing ALLSKINMED package, and this incorporates skincare, signature treatments, and our full fusion protocols. The package price is £1,600, and you are making a saving of just over £800. And this is great because it's giving you an earning potential of just over £6,000, which is fab. If you're thinking, actually, do you know what, I'm missing more skincare rather than treatments, you can come on board with our skincare only package. And this is great competitive package priced at £1,000, saving £662, and you've got a fantastic earning potential there of just short of £1,700, which is fantastic. However, if you are listening and thinking, I'm a smaller clinic, actually, is there something more adaptable, we can create a package to suit you. On the screen at the minute, you can see example materials that we offer. We've got pre and post treatment advice cards, we've got consultation cards, we've got everything that you will need to be able to promote ALLSKINMED in clinic and through social media. And if you've enjoyed today's business solution session, we would love to set up a call, a one-to-one, no obligation Zoom chat where we can take you through how ALLSKINMED can complement your business as well. So if you're based in the north and you'd like to find out more, you can contact myself, Rebecca Walton, by either dropping us a message in the chat box, or if you're listening on demand, you can contact myself at the email address on the screen now. Or if you're based in the south, you can contact our business development manager, Rebecca O'Brien, in the same way, email or drop us a text. So thank you so much for listening today. I really hope you found today's session useful. If you are interested in finding out more, like I said, just drop us a text. Other than that, we'll look forward to seeing you back in the Aesthetic Care Academy soon to find out what more aesthetic care can offer to your business.